Thousands of young migrants to the U.S. face deportation every year, and many of them go through the legal system without a lawyer. Meredith Hoffman reports the story for City Limits, and she joins me now. Hi, Meredith.
Hi, Don.
Meredith, you tell the story of Letitia, who was taken off a bus by federal agents when she was just 15 years old. Why was she taken into custody?
Well, she was an unaccompanied minor that was traveling in the state of Louisiana. She had been in the country from Guatemala for just over 6 months, so she had a 6-month visa that was expired. So she was considered an undocumented, unaccompanied minor before the eyes of the law.
Does the government appoint a lawyer to represent young children whenever they face these deportation hearings?
No, there's no statute that says that they have the right to a court-appointed lawyer. There is Section 292 of immigration law says that they have the right to a lawyer, but they do not get any kind of free legal aid unless a pro bono attorney steps in.
Meredith, you also report that 60% of all immigrants in New York courts lack legal counsel. Why is that?
It's simply because these immigrants can't afford hiring a lawyer themselves, and they're not being given court-appointed attorneys.
What's the difference in case outcomes between those who have an attorney and those who do not have a lawyer? There's quite a difference, isn't there?
Yes, well, as Judge Katzman's recent study released, they found that about 74% of undocumented immigrants who went to deportation proceedings ended up having success in their cases if they had a lawyer. Whereas those who had no lawyer, there was only a 13% success rate. Now, this is among immigrants who had not previously been detained, but still, the difference is dramatic.
And is anything being done to address this issue?
Well, there are groups out there at the moment that are working specifically on behalf of these people, such as legal aid. They work both with children and adults, and then there's the DOOR, and as I mentioned in my article, Kids in Need of Defense.
Meredith Hoffman. Meredith has a story in City Limits headlined, "Some Young Migrants Face Deportation with No Lawyer." Thanks, Meredith.
Thank you.